Hello YouTube. There's lots of pedestrians in my damn airfield. I'm sort of sitting here waiting for the pedestrians to go away, and then 3 more walk in from over that way. So far I can see 6 total in my airspace. There's a couple far over yonder, but I'm just waiting for them to go so we can rip, because this is an awesome spot. The trees are just far enough apart, lots of dive or potential dive gaps and spots, so yeah, we're going to have some fun as soon as these people go away. Wish me luck. Well YouTube, I just had a cruise around. These batteries felt, yeah, just about had it. Got some new ones on the way, can't wait to get them. Some avionics, so yeah, looking forward to those. Well, I'll see you next time. I hope you enjoyed this little cruise at it. Thanks for watching. Cheers.